This influencer makes over $10,000 every single month. And here's the twist, she isn't real. Yet she has thousands of followers and works with big brands like Amazon. Meanwhile, her creators stay completely behind the scenes, generating posts in just minutes without ever showing their own face. Even crazier, studies show that by uploading just 3 times a week for a year, the average AI influencer can now earn over £1 million annually. AI influencers are the gold rush of today, a chance that might not last for long. And the best part? You can create your own for a subscription that costs less than your Netflix account. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a hyper-realistic AI influencer, keep your character consistent across both photos and videos, and grow your Instagram account strategically using Reels, niche positioning, and smart posting tactics. But make sure you stay until the end, because I have a surprise that could completely change the way you create AI content. And trust me, you won't want to miss it. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI content, tips, and tricks that can help you turn your ideas into income faster than ever before. All right, let's get started. First, we need a realistic base image because this will be the foundation for all our photos and videos. I spent months testing different tools, trying to create an influencer that looks completely indistinguishable from a real person. Finally, I settled on openart because it gives you access to an incredible variety of image and video generators, all in one platform. And the best part? You can unlock all these features for just $14 per month. If you want to take advantage of this opportunity, I've left the link in the description. So the first step is to head over to the image section on the left. Next, click Create Image and choose a model. For the most realistic results, I usually go with Nano Banana Pro or Flux 2 Pro. Then we have 2 options. The first is to search for a reference image on Pinterest. I usually type something like beautiful girl portrait and pick a photo I really like, then download it. Next, go back to openart and upload the image into the Omni reference field. For the prompt, here's what I use for a front-facing, professional look. Half-body portrait, realistic lighting, wearing a black top, soft background, photorealistic style. Further down, you can choose the output size. I always set it to portrait, which is a 3:4 ratio. You can also determine the number of images generated. I usually go with 2 to have a small set of options to pick from. This creates a strong base image that we can build all our AI influencer photos and videos on. The other option is to start directly with a prompt. Make sure to include details like lighting, subtle skin imperfections, and realistic clothing and fabric textures. I personally like to use ChatGPT to help me craft these prompts. Once your prompt is ready, simply paste it into the corresponding section and click Create. Shortly after, you'll have an ultra-realistic portrait, one that's almost impossible to distinguish from a real person. The next step is to create multiple angles and facial expressions for your influencer. This helps the AI learn to generate truly realistic images, and later, realistic movements as well. For this, I like to use several prompts, such as close-up portrait, beaming laugh, 3/4 view, thoughtful expression. Once you have 3 more images, go to the character section on the left and click Start with Image. Here, you can upload all of your images. After that, you can add a name. I will choose Britain, and even a background story for your influencer. Finally, click Create Character. What openart does now is create an AI character trained on the images and data you provided. This solves the consistency problem easily and gives us a solid foundation for a successful AI influencer. From here, we can generate new images, variations, and even videos, all while keeping your influencer consistent in appearance and style. And that is exactly what we are going to do now. So go to the section Character Image and click on the character you just created. You'll see that the character's name is already filled in the prompt field. Now we can write a simple prompt to generate a new image or variation. For example, you could try a picture of her posing in Paris in front of the Eiffel Tower, or attending a glamorous fashion show, or strolling through New York with a breathtaking sunset in the background. Let your creativity run wild. You can place your influencer in any setting or scenario you want. This is where you can really start shaping her personality, style, and vibe, creating a world that feels completely real. But obviously, a real influencer doesn't just have photos, they also post videos. Especially right now, small Instagram accounts with lots of reels are being pushed by the algorithm, so we want to take advantage of that. To do this, go to Character Video section in the main menu. Here, you can again enter your prompt. Further down, you can decide whether you want audio on, but honestly, I usually leave it off for most of my videos because I prefer to use viral songs from Instagram's sound library to reach even more people. You can also upload previously generated images to bring your AI influencer to life. For this video, I'll try the following prompt. Full body shot of her walking through a sunlit city street with a nice dark red elegant dress and high black boots. Confident and stylish, natural movements, photorealistic lighting, smooth and realistic animation. Once you click Generate, the AI will create a video based on your prompt, and your influencer will come to life with realistic motion. Let's try another prompt from her daily life. She is sitting at a cafe, wearing a chic black top paired with a dark red miniskirt, sipping coffee, relaxed and stylish, ending with a warm smile, photorealistic lighting, smooth and natural movements. By generating scenes like this, you can build a personality and lifestyle for your AI influencer, making her feel like a real person your audience can relate to. The more everyday moments you create, the more engaging and believable your character becomes. Now let's talk about posting strategy, because creating a realistic AI influencer is only half the game. Growth doesn't come from just good visuals, it comes from smart distribution. I recommend posting at least 3 to 5 reels per week. Keep them short, ideally between 5 and 9 seconds. Short videos increase retention, and retention is what the algorithm loves. It's also extremely important to choose a niche and stick to it. Decide who your influencer is. Is she luxury lifestyle, high fashion, travel, fitness, soft girl aesthetic, minimalist entrepreneur? The clearer the niche, the easier it is for the algorithm and for people to understand her identity. And identity builds trust. Trust builds followers. And as I already mentioned before, make your influencer feel human. Don't just post glamorous shots. Mix in relatable moments, coffee runs, city walks, getting ready clips, small smiles, candid movements. The more natural and emotionally relatable it feels, the stronger the connection with your audience. If you stay consistent for 60 to 90 days, test different formats, analyze which reels perform best, and refine your strategy, you can grow and also monetize faster than many real influencers, because you can produce unlimited content without burnout. Now, before I end this video, I have a little surprise for you. My free ebook that's called The 5 Biggest AI Influencer Mistakes. It breaks down the most important errors beginners make when generating AI influencers, especially when it comes to identity consistency, realism, positioning, and brand perception. If you're serious about building an AI influencer that actually looks professional and generates money, you should download it before you create your next post. Just click the link in the description, it's completely free. And that's the full workflow, from creating your AI influencer to building a growth strategy that actually works. I'd love to see what you create, so drop your results, videos, or screenshots in the comments below. I'm excited to see how you bring your AI influencers to life. Remember, this is just the beginning, and the real potential is only limited by your imagination. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, because in the next videos, I'll go even deeper into monetization, brand deals, and how to turn your AI influencer into a real income stream. See you soon!